Hello, in this video I will show you how you can set up custom notification sound on Redmi 15C. So first of all, open the settings and now go to sound and vibration. From here go to other notifications and reminders, and from this theme store you can select a ringtone that you want by clicking this bell icon, and as you can see, applied it successfully. If you want to set your sound from your local files, go to choose local ringtone, and here you can select is it sounds recorder, audio files, or the music. So basically you can find some of the files from here. Also you can find pre-installed ringtones, so you can open it and apply something from here. Let's take this one for example, click OK, and now as you can see I have this notification sound enabled. So basically that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe.